How to explore the market in Raid Shadow Legends game. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. The market in Raid Shadow Legends is your one-stop shop for gear, shards, potions and more. To browse through it, open your Raid Shadow Legends application on your device, and once you're inside this lobby screen, go ahead and click on the Market tab from the main home screen. Once you're inside the market, you'll be able to see different options: chest plate, helmet, mystery shard, etc. It is divided into sections like that. Tap on one of the categories from the menu and check its stats, price, and so on. Once you're inside this page, if you want to buy the specific item, go ahead and click on the Get button at the bottom left. Follow the prompts to complete the purchase. You may need to use silvers, gems, or real money depending on the item. So that is how you will be able to explore the market in Raid Shadow Legends for gears, shards, etc. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.